Jazak.
So what is the difference between pride and arrogance?
Pride and arrogance.
You mentioned if you had
The word pride and arrogance, I don't use the word arrogance for Allah. Because arrogance is criticized, isn't it, in English? But pride is not all the time is criticized. Pride. A person is proud. So a person who is proud of himself, that's a good word as well, being conceited, so being proud of himself, but yet that proudness of himself is motivating him to be better, that's a good proud. But the proudness of himself that motivates him to be arrogant, that's the bad pride. Okay? So that you are proud of yourself that you are, for example, serving the people, helping the people. Good. You're proud of yourself. You're proud of that you are all the time being dutiful to your parents. You're proud of yourself. That's the sign of humbleness. But if you're proud of yourself when you are, a'udhu billah, insulting the people, you're proud of yourself that you are good at very bad mouth. Every time a person speaks to you, you're proud of yourself for this. That's not the right proud. No. If you're proud with what you please Allah Azza wa Jal, never mind. You're proud that you've got sons, mashallah, who are hafiz, coming to the masajid. No.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.